everyone, this is Raj Handal from Wellness Hybrid Tech, and as you know, I've been making videos on how to repair and recondition hybrid batteries. And so what I do is whenever I have a chance to get a new battery which I have not covered, I make a video. And today I have a chance to work on a Honda Accord. So I'm making this short video to show you how to recondition the Honda Accord. As you know, Honda Accord has very different sticks than the normal Honda Civic and Honda Insight. These sticks, as I was saying, the sticks which are used in the Honda Accord are very different from the normal Insight and Civic. These are the sticks. They come in pairs, and like I said, the cells appear to be a little bit bigger than the D cells which are used in the Honda Civic and Insight. And then if you see at the back, they have a very peculiar connector to join the two, and same thing in front. And if you don't have this plate, they will not fit properly into the battery pack. And there are total 10 of these, and because these are bigger, I reckon that they can go up to 9 volts easily on each stick. So that means 18 volts for two, and then 180 volts for the whole pack. And after this, I'm going to show you the pack. I just brought it out of the car. I'm going to show you as I proceed with removing the covers and everything. And then I'm going to show you where do you connect the charger, high-speed charger, and the discharger. And the good thing about this pack is you don't have to open up much of the pack. You can recycle or cycle the pack right where the orange cables are connected, the negative and the positive. Right at that point, you insert two bolts, and you can just excuse me, you can just start charging and discharging from that point. So let's go over to the pack, and I will show you what it looks like and where the connections are. So here is the battery pack, Honda Accord hybrid battery, as it came out of the car, and I've kept it upside down and in order to remove the top cover. There are a total of 4 clip-on connectors like this, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you remove those 4, and you can just lift this up. Oh, there are two on the side also. Okay, so as I was saying, you're going to remove the 2 on the side first, and you're going to remove this side cover first. And once you remove that, then you lift this one up. It's a little tight. Okay. Now, once you remove the top covers, I'm going to tilt this battery back. So, this is the battery pack. As it comes out from the car, this is the top and this is the bottom. And right here on top is the safety switch. And you turn it on. It's written here on and off. Please turn it off before doing anything on the battery pack. Now, I'm going to show you the connections for the charger. So, just to show you a little bit close up on where to connect the charger or discharger, this is the battery, this is the top, this is the bottom, and these are the 2 points where the orange cables connect. is marked here. The one on top is positive and one at the bottom is negative. So this is positive, this is positive, and this is negative, and it's marked here. So you're going to connect the charger or discharger to these 2 points, which I'm going to show you now after I make the connection. Okay, so here as you can see, I've connected the positive and the negative. This is positive, the red one, and the blue. These are crocodile clips. They're connected, and now you have to turn the switch on. Now the switch is on. You can see the safety switch here, and now if I turn the switch on, now you see the light has come on, and this is only for demonstration. And so I'm going to use the same points, but I have to keep the safety switch on. Please be very careful. You don't touch anything once the safety switch is on. And before doing anything else, you always turn this off, and now you're safe to touch anything. So as I was saying, I just wanted to show you the connections, where to connect the wires. But this battery is very, very easy to recondition because you don't have to open up the whole thing. You just connect the either your high-speed charger or your discharger right at these 2 points, and then you start charging and discharging. Now, as you know, I have mentioned in my other videos, the Honda D cells are very, very good for cycling, whereas I do not favor cycling the Toyota Prius modules. But these cells, the more you cycle, the more capacity they regain. So I'm going to cycle this pack 6 to 7 to 8 times, and every time I'm going to keep noting the capacity, and I will see that with every cycle it will go up. Just for your guidance, the range would be, I'm going to take it up to about 180 to 190 volts while with the charger, and while discharging I'm going to bring it down to 160, or even I might even go up to 150, because these sticks, the lower you go and maximum you go, the better it is for them. If you have any questions, please post them below. Like us on YouTube and subscribe to our channel, and we will keep posting new videos and new information to help the hybrid owners to do reconditioning and repairing their batteries on their own, so that they save a lot of money and time. With that, I think this video should be enough, and I wish you all the best, and I wish you all a Happy New Year and Merry Christmas, and hopefully we'll watch some more videos next year. And thanks for watching.